BabyBus.
This is a parrot. It has pretty plumage. Where are the parrots? Go and look for them. I found them. Parrots live in tree holes in the jungle. Baby parrots are hatched. Daddy parrot is so happy. Uh-oh, its plumage is soiled from playing in the mud. Let's wash it clean.
Wow!
Let's put on some nice-looking feathers for the parrot.
Wow! Wow!
So pretty.
Wow!
The parrot can copy what we say. Let's watch it perform. I want this. Ball. Ball. Ball.
Wow!
The parrot is really awesome. I want this. Orange. 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 I want this. Apple. 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 The parrot is really awesome. I want this. Mango. 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 I want this. Cherry. Cherry. Cherry.
Wow!
The parrot is really awesome. Daddy parrot has brought some food for its babies. They're full and feel happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Parrot. Let's play again next time.